Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is a tutorial on this look right here, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my e.l.f. Daily Hydrating Moisturizer and applying this all over my face. This is the moisturizer that I use every single day. And then I'm going to take the Algenist Eye Balm, and I'm just going to be applying this underneath my eyes and also to my eyelids. I really like this balm just because it gives your eye area a very soothing feel. Next, I'm taking this illuminator and I'm applying it with my fingers, and then with a stipple brush, I'm going to blend that into my skin, which will just give me a nice glowy base right before I apply my foundation. And for foundation, today I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This one actually matches me perfectly now. Before it was almost a little bit too yellow, but I have a lot of yellow undertones, so this one actually works great and it also gives me great coverage. Now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm applying this underneath my eyes, forehead, bridge of my nose, upper lip, and then also my chin. And then I'm going to be blending that out with a small fluffy concealer brush. Now for the eyes today, my base is actually going to start with a lipstick, which is a little different, but this is perfect because I needed a bright pink that also had a lot of pigment, so using a lipstick is great for that, and then I just blended it out with my fingers. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette in the color Raw Sienna, and I'm applying this all over my eyelid and then just a little bit into my crease. Next, I'm taking the color Cypress Umber, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm applying this on the outer corner and then the inner corner of my eye. Now, I got this product in an Ipsy bag as well. It's an eye polish, but basically it's like powder in a container, which is really cool because you have a lot of control as to where you want to put it. So I just put that right in the middle of my eye, and then I just applied a little bit of Raw Sienna on my lash line. Now I'm taking the color Tempera and I'm just applying that to my the arch of my eyebrow just to give it a nice highlight. And then for my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, which I always use. And then once I'm done filling in my eyebrows, I just took a little bit of concealer on this super tiny concealer brush and I just cleaned them up a bit, and then took a flat brush and blended that in. Next, I just applied a little bit of mascara because we are going to be putting fake eyelashes on. But before we do that, I'm going to finish my face. So I'm using the Fenty Matchstick, and I'm going to be using this for a contour. So I just apply that to my forehead, the hollows of my cheeks, and then my jawline, and I'm using this contouring brush to blend that in. For blush, I didn't know exactly what color this was, but I got it in an Ipsy bag and it's really nice subtle pink color. But for the highlight, I'm taking that illuminator again that I used all over my face, and this is actually what I'm going to use for my highlight. So I'm not going to be using any powders, I'm just going to be applying this everywhere, basically where I put concealer almost. And then I took the color Tempera from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and put that in the inner corner of my eyes for a highlight. For the lipstick, I'm using the brand Bite Beauty, and it's in the color Glance, so I apply that to my lips and then I just added a little bit of gloss. For the fake lashes, I'm using Ardell's Wispy Lashes, which I absolutely love because I feel like they are very, very light and the band is super thin, so you can barely tell that they're even there. But that completes the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope everyone has a fantastic Valentine's Day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.